Gem State, Idaho has a variety of pieces that are more precious than gold. Today, I'd like to introduce Kirkham Hot Springs, approximately 2 hours driving from Boise. Entering from Washington State, I drove southbound to Boise through the mountain regions. We turned the direction from Banks to a small town called Loman to go to Kirkham Hot Springs. The State Highway 17 between Banks and Loman, for about 30 miles long, follows the water-filled canyon. I don't know why the map does not explain this wonderful Highway 17. I was curious about the canyon, so I parked my car on the roadside. Look down the canyon and the strong current that stretches 500 feet below. I feel refreshed. There is a pity that the lens of small camera cannot capture the entire size of Mother Nature. With greater expectations, I look for the next roadside parking space. Sitting on the edge of the cliff, I thought about where the endless stream of the water came from. After the canyon is over, the surrounding landscape is completely changed and the river is divided into two parts. I forgot to go to the hot springs, enjoying the time at the native Indian observatory. Here is near the hot springs, and there is old trucks exhibited on the roadside. They used to work hard in the old mines. These old boys are definitely well over 70 years old. Old boys are taking a rest at a beautiful flower garden, but their past glory shines on me. I think that the old cars are much more aesthetic than the contemporary ones. There are so many that I will have to show you up to here. There are no signs on the road, but if you cross this small bridge, you will enter the hot spring park. After crossing the bridge, oh my, I see a sign there. Hot water keeps coming out of small springs in the mountainside. It's pretty hot. This hot spring may be good for winter use. There is a little more traffic found inside of the park. I think this is today's final destination. Hot water from several springs in the mountainside flows down the river creating small streams. Coming near the river, I can see small hot spring waterfalls. The river is clean and its color is so great. This waterfall is a little hot and cannot stay longer than 10 minutes.
여기 옆에가 위에서
However, another waterfall provides water massages at a perfect temperature.
어울려져 가지고 눈 오면 좀 그런 대로 따뜻한 폭포입니다.
These natural hot springs are more harmonious with the surroundings than man-made ones. I hope you feel like enjoying the outdoor hot spring together. Temperature is close to 104 degrees today, so hot spring water feels cooler. My wife Donna finally take a soak at the unbearable temptation. Hot springs and the riverside waterfalls are all enjoyable for everyone. There is a pool where cold river and hot spring water get blended. Swimmers, photographers, and naughty boys. We dry ourselves out, and now it's time for us to head toward the next destination. Thank you for traveling with Sunny today. Stay tuned and see you in the next video. Have a sunny day.